Put the garlic. And onion. And onion is done. Put the chicken. Cook it 2 minutes both sides. Now it's 2 minutes later. We gotta flip it over. You see how brown it, golden brown. Now we're gonna wait another 2 minutes. And okay, now it's done, golden brown. All right. Soy sauce. Water. And the vinegar. And pepper. And basil. Now you cook it until the sauce is thicker. After 5 minutes, check it. Now we're gonna check it again. Alright, you see the sauce is getting thicker and darker. We gotta wait another couple more, maybe 15 more minutes. 15 minutes later, we're gonna check it again. You see the sauce is getting a little dry, but I'm gonna dry it a little bit more because I like my sauce a little bit dry. Eto na, tapos na. Here we go. It's done. There's your adobo. And adobo. And don't forget the rice.